Hello my dear students, I hope you are all studying well at home. As we have completed the chapter OO Writer, and I hope that you are all going through the videos as well. Today we are going to discuss the exercises which are given at the back of the chapter. Now I have given the answers as well. The answers has to be noted down in the fair copies. Please make note of this. First question is, write the steps to save a document. To save a document, follow the given steps. First, click on the option File on the menu bar. Second, select the option Save As from the drop-down menu. The Save As dialog box will be displayed. Third, type the name of the new file in the file name text box, whatever you wish. And lastly, click on Save to complete the process. This is how you are going to save a document. Second question is, explain the features of word processor. The following features are there. It is fast. Typing the text in word processor becomes speedy as there is no mechanical carriage movement associated. So it's very speedy. Second is editing features. Any type of corrections can be made easily here. Permanent storage. We can save the document and we can retrieve it whenever we want to retrieve it back. Formatting features. The typed text can be made to appear in any form or style, like we can have bold, italic, underline. Due to these formatting features of the word processor, we can have different formattings. Graphics. We can incorporate the drawings in the document to enhance its usefulness. Next we have OLE, that is object linking and embedding. By this we can link or embed any object in a document. Second last is spell check. Word processor is capable of checking the spelling mistakes. And lastly, a very important one is the mail merge. By this facility, we can print a large number of letters or documents, like example is invitation cards, and it can be sent to invitees. Only we have to make changes in the names and the addresses. Now we come to question number 3. Write down the steps to move the text from one place to another in a document. The steps are: select the text, choose the cut option. You can use this by any of the three methods by right clicking the mouse button, shortcut method or the standard toolbar. Then place the cursor where you want the text to be placed. And fourth, click the paste option. Again, the paste option can be done by any of the three methods, right clicking or the shortcut method or by standard toolbar. And we will see our text has been moved to the desired place. Question number 4. What are the advantages, find and replace features of word processor? Sometimes we need to search a particular word or a text in a document. And question 4. What are the advantages of find and replace feature of word processor? Sometimes we need to search a particular word or text in a document and even we have to replace it with a new text or a word. So word processor provides this facility of find and replace. Question 5. Explain the different options available in spelling and grammar dialog box. The options are ignore once, ignore all, add, change, change all, autocorrect and close. To accept a correction, click the suggestion and then click change. We can edit the sentence in the upper text box and then click change to accept the editing. And to add the unknown word to a user defined document, click the add button. You can see the figure. It's clearly, you can see on your right hand side, it is given, the options are given there. That's all for today.